Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rahat and today I'm gonna show you this very easy and wearable makeup look for Eid, and you can just have one or two eyeshadows and just create this look. So if you wanna know how I created this, then keep on watching. We're gonna start with our eye makeup today because I'm gonna use a lot of glitters, so it may fall. So here I'm priming my eyelids with some concealer and I'm blending it out. And then I'll set it with some powder. Now I'm gonna take this shade from Wet n Wild palette for my transition shade, and I'm just gonna apply that into my crease like so. Next I'm taking this very cool pink color from Miss Claire, that is in the shade 0141, and I'm further gonna apply this into my crease but little lower. Keep applying it till you get your desired color, as I'm doing it here. Now I'm taking a larger blending brush and just blending it out. Now I have taken this glitter glue by NYX, as I'm gonna apply glitter on my eyelids, so I'll just take like that much and start applying it on my eyelids. Now I have this DIY glitter palette, and I'm just gonna take that silver shade from this palette and start applying it. If you wanna know how I have made this palette, you can just comment down below and I'll share a video with you. After applying the glitter, I'm taking that shade again from the palette and start blending it again to even it out, so that there are no harsh lines or harsh edges. Now I'm gonna draw a eyeliner, and I have taken this eyeliner by The Balm. Now I'll clean all the glitter fallout on my face. We're starting our base now. I'm taking this rose gold oil by The Beauty Co, and I'm gonna apply this on all over my face. After that, I'm just doing some color correction here, so I'm taking this red shade from LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm gonna apply that wherever I have dark circle, dark spots and uneven skin tone. Now I'm taking this strobing cream by Maybelline, and I'm just gonna apply that on my face. Oops. Yes, I ended up removing that much, and now I'm just gonna apply that on all over my face again. Now I'm gonna apply my foundation. I'm taking this Milani foundation. I'm in the shade 02, and I'll just dot it on all over my face and start blending it. Next, I'm taking this concealer by LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Beige, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes. And then I'll take my blender and blend this out. Now to further conceal and highlight, I'm just taking this concealer by Swiss Beauty and I'm dotting it like so on my skin. I so love this concealer, you guys, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Now to set everything in place, I'm taking this powder by Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm just gonna take it and start putting it on my under eye and wherever I tend to crease. And yeah, this is in the shade 15 Light. And for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use this pressed powder by Maybelline Fit Me again. Now I'm just making my brows. Guys, I have shared my brow routine, so you can check that video as well. And yeah, I'll just skip this part and show you the next step. Now it's time to give some depth to our face, so I'm just taking this NYX bronzing powder and just applying it on my cheek, my jawline, and also my forehead. Also, I'm just gonna take the same bronzer to contour my nose like that. Next, I'm taking this blush by Sivana Colors and I'm just gonna pop it on my cheeks, and I'll just join my bronzer to my blush. Here I'm just baking my nose, also my contour. Alright, now let's finish our eye makeup. I'm taking this Kajal pencil by Miss Claire and I'm just popping it in my waterline. I'm just gonna pop that eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well. Here I'll just get rid of my bake now. Now I'm just taking this highlighting shade and I'm gonna pop that into my inner corners. Also I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with it. Our eye makeup is done now. I'm just gonna curl my lashes like so and start applying mascara. Here I have taken Hyper Curl mascara. And I'm not gonna wear any falsies today. Now I'll set my makeup with this PAC Micro Fixer. And I'm gonna highlight my face. This is a Sivana highlighter. I'm taking this lip pencil now. I don't know which brand it is, and I'm just gonna line my lips with it. Now I have taken this lipstick by Maybelline Soft Mattes in the shade Touch of Spice, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lips. Alright, you guys, this is the final look here. This was so easy and yet very beautiful. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, guys, and press the bell icon, and do like this video and comment down below if you like this video. And also, if you recreate this look, do tag me on Instagram. I'll provide you my Insta handle in my description box. Do check that out. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Take care, be safe, be home, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.